starting a business website, here are 5 sections which you need to include in your website. Number first, lead magnet. It basically acts as a trust building system between you and your customer. By using a lead magnet as the first hero section of your website, you can collect the valuable information of your customers like phone numbers, names and email addresses, so that you can easily retarget them whenever you are launching your new products or whenever you want exclusive deals for the customer who really trusts your business. Number second, service and product section. In this particular section, you can easily explain your multiple services or products. Like what you can do is you can add various images of your services, along with that give them a proper title and a short descriptions of 2 to 3 lines or sentences, and demonstrate them as the most valuable thing what your business can offer. Hit to the main key problems of your customers, what they are facing, with the help of the description you're providing with the services, so that your customers can easily relate to them and can be converted in the further sections of the website. What you can also do in the case of products page is you can add the product images, if possible add a sale label over that, add the title, add the prices, and if possible add 1 line of description what your product exactly is, and later that you can add buy now or add to cart button over there for the easy conversion of the customer. After the second section, here comes the third, benefits. In this particular section, you have to tell the various benefits of your services or products. What you can do in the case of services is you can list down all the major services your customers will get. You can use multiple icons, videos, your multiple animation, GIFs, so that it looks more appealing to the visitors. Listing 4 to 5 benefits would be great enough. Create a good border around it, add the icon, add some title over it. Let's say if we are considering a cleaning based website, it would be affordable, could be our benefits. 100% germ cleaning can be the benefits. Or if in case of the products, let's say a FMCG or pickle based, good taste, high quality, 100% pure, this could be the benefits for your benefits section. And fourth, price section. Here comes the big part. You need to be bold about the prices. I have seen lots of people who don't add price section or price table in their website because they think people will compare it with the other businesses. But you need to understand price table is very important, because it helps you to filter out the lead, because the people who have purchased the product, people who have opted for a consultation call from your site, they already know your prices. So it really helps you to filter out the leads which are included, which are required, which are good enough or not. In this particular price table section, you have to be razor focused to all the major and important benefits and features what your multiple packages offer. You can list down the basic package, a mediocre package, or a high level of package. A mediocre package will going to offer some basic services. A mediocre would be, according to as name suggests, it would be a most value for money package, and the premium one would be for the additional services and the things which you additionally offer. And last, the major fifth and the most important section of video testimonial section. Don't add the boring text-based video testimonials, Google testimonials. Nobody loves to read, everybody loves to watch video. So create a beautiful video testimonial section. You can post your video testimonials on YouTube and can directly export it from there in your WordPress website. It's completely up to you, but video testimonials plays a great role in building the trust between you and your customers. So these are the top 5 must-have sections for your business websites. I hope you like this video. If you want any kind of business website, you can DM me on my Instagram page as shown on the screen, or you can also mail me here for the websites. And in the next video, I am going to create an e-commerce website using ChatGPT. Don't forget to watch that. Have a great day. Thank you.